Good morning, BW here. It's October 19th, and it's time to get ready for winter. Preparing my front lawn for winter requires more than just fall or winter fertilizer. My front lawn is a mixture of perennial ryegrass and Kentucky Bluegrass. I live in a northern state where perennial ryegrass can suffer damage from cold soil temperatures and a fungal disease called snow mold. My lawn will typically suffer one or the other. An early heavy snowfall will protect my lawn with a nice warm blanket of snow, but provide the perfect environment for snow mold. My lawn won't get snow mold if I don't get that early lasting snow cover. However, it will be exposed to brutally cold temperatures that can damage perennial ryegrass. Fortunately, some fungicides can help with snow mold, but I can't do anything about the cold temperatures. I know you're probably thinking that's just dumb. Why even have a perennial ryegrass lawn then? Well, I love the rich growth and dark green color of perennial ryegrass. Its vertical growth habit is also perfect for reel mowing. I miss using my reel mower on my lawn. I stopped using it after I installed a new roof on the house. You can see the nails I found in my lawn in an earlier video I made about that. Just one nail can severely damage my reel mower, so I thought it best if I quit using it until next spring, after I make another attempt to remove any more nails that might still be in the lawn. I may be picky, but the difference between reel and rotary mowing is like night and day. I'm not very happy with the shaggy appearance I'm getting with the rotary mower. This is what my lawn looked like last year, just a week or two earlier. I like this look a lot better. For years, science has said that applying a fungicide for snow mold is best just before the first lasting snowfall. For me, that usually happens in late November, another month from now. Scientists now think snow mold starts a month earlier in October's cool and rainy weather. They also believe an earlier application of fungicide will help the fungicide traditionally applied just before snowfall. Right now, I'm applying Anderson's Prophesy, a Propiconazole fungicide. I'll be using Headway-G, an Azoxystrobin and Propiconazole fungicide for my second application, just before snowfall, about a month from now. I prefer to use granular fungicides over liquids because they're easy for me to apply, but may not work as well as liquid fungicides. If you choose to use liquid fungicides, a fungicide product with 3 components for snow mold is recommended. Propiconazole benefits from warmer weather, allowing the grass plant to absorb the fungicide into the top part of the leaves. So I'm using it now and the Headway-G later. This part of the lawn is all Kentucky Bluegrass. Winter isn't as hard on bluegrass, but sometimes I get snow mold on this part of my lawn. Both sections of my lawn are tiny, so treating them with fungicide is not expensive. I don't treat my much larger Kentucky Bluegrass backyard. Somehow I finally managed to find time to paint the lower concrete part of the house last week. It never bothered me to leave it the house's original color, but the paint has been chipping and peeling. I wasn't a fan of the pumpkin color, but this seems like an abundance of white now. I didn't make a video of my second fungicide application in November, because nobody watches my fungicide videos, so if you're still watching, thank you very much. Here's another tip for those of you still watching. I've never mentioned this, but the fungicides I've been using are manufactured as a water-dispersing granule. When added to water, the granules break apart into smaller particles, aided by wetting agents. These agents reduce interfacial tension, ensuring smooth disintegration. In a nutshell, the particles dissolve and spread rapidly when wet. So, for my final application, I decided to wet the lawn immediately before applying my fungicide, hoping the fungicide would dissolve and spread quickly over the wet leaf blades of the grass, imitating a liquid fungicide application. I wasn't sure if it would work, but as I was spreading it, I couldn't help but notice a rather strong scent of fungicide in the air, It smelled just like I had sprayed a liquid fungicide. Now get out there and have some fun on your lawn. And remember, you can do it.